Hello, everyone. So, hi, Rakesh just joined, I believe. Can you guys hear me? Okay, so I'm just reviewing what actually traded so far this morning. So, let's see. So, this morning I actually did multiple alerts. Let me show one by one. So, look at the field one. Okay, the first alert went in for puts actually around 470. That was a quick one. I was supposed to enter that one at 4, I believe 430, but I ended up taking it 470 on the FOMO, and then I turned real quick and then closed it for 490. Right, so that's what I actually alerted here. I believe that is the first one. I believe this one. Oh, I added a 410 after that, 1x, and then I exited all of them at 490. I think this one is even before the alert. I think the alert one actually somewhere this one. Yeah, this one. So 470 and then 410, and then all of them actually exited at 490. So basically, I exited as individuals, right? And then I got another entry for the verticals on the same put side for 439, for 435. Again, this one also a little bit of FOMO, but this time the trend was already downwards, so which is actually a good sign. And then I still exited at 490. The reason I'm actually exiting below $5 because the width of this spread is actually 10. So most of the time we are fighting against two people. One is the one that actually trying to sell high and then buying back lower, which is the big guys, right? Big traders, and another one is actually time decay, right? So with the time decay and all, and most of the time, whoever that want to buy, they don't want to buy above 5 because they want to buy below 50%, so that they will still have some room for growth, right? That's why I'm trying to exit even before everybody else actually gets in, right? So that's why I'm actually putting at 490. So that's the reason. So I try to enter little bit at $1 less, which is 4 or 380, and then exit 480 or 470, something like that, right? Oh, my order just got filled for profit because there is a drop here. I will walk you through that one as well. And then I followed on the call side at one point, and then I bought it for 460. This is the 10 one. This is where I actually went wrong. Even before this one, I actually bought this one spread. I mean, I went on buying the spread too early. Why I say early, I'll tell you here. So if I'm looking at this chart on 2 hours, this is the time when I actually bought just before 11:30, right? So, which if you look at the chart here, normally when you see a hammer, kind of doji, and the next candle normally has to fill at least some part of the wick on the top side, which is the longer side of the wick. So that is where I went wrong. So I actually got this one into a little bit too early, and then I have to wait for so long. How long I will say? See all this one. So I entered somewhere here, and then I waited so long here until this one comes back into the resistance zone, which is this one, the morning's lines. Right? If I draw here, I think I should actually have a drawing. Yeah, I see here. So it basically went all the way up to here before dropping. So I should have waited for this particular piece before even entering. Right? So that's the mistake I did. But anyway, so after I entered, I waited for a few more minutes. Then I entered another 10 for same for 350. right? uh, I believe that's not that one. I'm getting myself mixed up. I think this is, I think this is the one wrong one, which is 510 and then I entered again at 4:30, and then all of them entered at 5:30. I don't know why these are not in the order, but anyway, so 5:30 is the wrong entry, and then I added 10 more after I see this what do you call rejection. Then I added 4:30 at the same number, 1x plus 1x, 20x, and then I exited for the 5:30, which is still $1 from the last entry. But on the debit spreads, I will only look for 50 to 60 cents. But this one I ended up by averaging at 470. So that's why I was looking for 5:30 as exit, which actually happened very good, right? And the other wrong entry that I took is the debit spread, which is 1180. So around the same time, right? I entered when this one is around here, down here. So I thought we are actually going down with this 11:30 candle again, just before the second 2 hour candle actually started, which is a wrong decision at that time. Right? And then I entered 11:30, and then I'm still struggling to get that one below this one, and I am not the one trying. But so far, the 5 minute chart looks like there's a higher, I mean, there's 50-50 chances whether it's go up or go down, right? Since all the other two indexes are actually negative, so most likely this will actually go down, or at least for now. So that's what I'm hoping for. So that's the only one is not performing well. Right now it's still shows at 300. I mean, it's still good place to exit for the loss here, but I will just wait. So let's see how this one goes. How far you guys did? Any profit so far? My account actually made with this latest one closing, which is highest contracts, which are 20 contracts. So that might actually give me almost 470 minus 530. That's 60 times 2. So that's almost $1,200. So I should be around 2K so far. 470. Yeah. Yeah, that's $1,200. So I mean that's a risky trade, but it's actually still worked because of the higher time frame negativity, some their side. So whenever I'm on this particular screen, I will be watching this shot because I don't have access right away there. I don't have too many screens, uh, particularly when I'm on live. So I will try to put all the screens at one place so that viewers can see all of them in action. So I see in the morning this chop, which actually helped me to enter and exit, enter and exit. Every time it goes up, I entered here and exited somewhere here. I didn't even wait for the last bit. I only exited with my smallest prices. First one is 20s, next one is 50 cents, like that. And, I did not actually took the trades on the long ones, like a long drops. I always read the chart and then enter based on the chart, not by the candle itself, not by the drop of the candles itself. So yeah, this one shows a red candle coming up, the 5 minute chart, at least for now. So that might actually go all the way up to here, the spinning candle, which is, yeah, 7700. I think I mentioned in the chart. Most of the time, 7700 becomes like a magnet for now. So every time it goes up, it comes down. Whenever every time it goes down below that, it comes up again. So that's where we are trying to cash in. So looking at the existing trade, so this I might actually exit a little bit better than this number, the loss. But let's see. So meanwhile, let's look at if there is any orders that we can actually take. They're already at 11:30 mid of the day. Uh, I see downward movement coming up, but there's only uh, it's only $2 left for the move from 7,700 to 77 $2.77, which is not a good space for taking a trade. So I'll just wait. Sorry, again, I'm talking on the mute. So yeah, basically, I'm looking for this one to reach to before we can actually go for the puts. And 5 minutes still showing bullish. So I was saying within a 5 minutes, first 15 minutes, even 4 minutes will be different direction, and the last 1 minute will be a different direction um, into the trending direction. Right? So if this one does not work, and then just move to 15 minutes and then see how that one is working. So for 15 minutes trying to climb, since there is a week, it might actually go all the way to 7710. Right? But if it fails here, there's a better chance that it will go down further. So we have to wait for this one or 5 minutes to give some indication. Let's put that one here so that we will have these two in our picture. And always watch and keep how this one is actually working. So I always try to keep the smaller time frames so that we know when we take a trade we are actually aligning with NQ. Right, so far so good. So this is actually looking upwards. I think I was telling the other day, indicators are basically the lagging ones, so we cannot depend on that one. Most of the retailers will see this, telling that it is going up, and then they might actually buy calls. I mean, it might go up, but most of the time we are hitting the resistances here, one resistance and the gap, and the morning gap is still not reached. This is the morning gap. So that's the morning gap. So once we touch that one, then we will have a better entry to it. And this is a strong move. This is a strong move. Except for everything is strong move. Dow is trying to reclaim back to flat lines. UK is, I mean, UK has a lot of room to go upwards. So we gotta be careful whenever there is so much room for NQ to go upwards. It can snap back real quick to upside to fill up all this gap that open in the morning, which is this one. So morning open somewhere over here. It's already reacting in the room, so let's move this one to the highest point, which is this one. Okay, so it looks like 2 minutes confirming downside, 5 minutes not confirmed yet, 30 minutes, yeah, we have 3 minutes aligning on 15 as well as 5 minutes, which is actually a good sign here. So we'll wait for that one to complete and then start the new one. Okay, 5 is confirming. If it closes near or in between the week, then we actually have a confirmation on the smaller time frames and also on the higher time frames. If it closes like a doji here, I mean halfway into this previous body candle. Okay, and the negative is showing some signs of rejection as well. Yeah, we can prepare the trade. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go for stocks 10. I will be looking for the directional this time. Good side. So I'll take this one. So with less smaller entry and smaller cost, but I don't want to be too far and too close. I'll stay here and then take 10 and some buy. Let's enter it 370. Let's see if we can get pro. And there's actually 6. And we can come back and change it. So that's what I got here. Workings. So 360. Let's see what the price is. 370. So yeah, 5 minutes confirmed. And 10 minutes confirmed. Yeah, I think we are getting good vibes on the low higher time frames too. I want to see the body on this 13 and 15 minutes. Oh, I thought I have only 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so if it fails, we still pick a position. Alright, why it's not showing my screen mark? Because of this one. Okay. Oh, I put 60. Right. See. Oh yeah. Yes. Got that one filled. 60. And I'm going to close it with maybe 80 cents profit. 80 cents. We'll put as 460. Sorry, 440. Okay, so and not only I'm watching for this one to fill, I'm also going to watch for this chart itself. Yeah. So that we have small resistance here, but that's the midpoint, so it's no big deal. But the actual resistance is here, which is should be coming good. 19. That's already 30 cents. Oh wait a minute, what happened? What happened here? Oh, what? You're only 10. This is very weird. It should not be that much. That's wrong number. That's not the right number. I don't know what's going on there. Why the report showing everything? People always have a problem. Uh, oh, it quickly snapped back. That's why. Okay. What's the 15 minutes? Ooh, I forgot to see this one. This is 30 minutes. It's macro. And this and that. How did I miss this one? Yeah, I missed this particular loading style. Let's go that way. Okay, this should not be this much. Something is still wrong here. That's only the drop. Okay, so okay. Coloring add to that position. This is the one. 70. If I am correct on the chart, but entry is too early, then I will just take another trade and then try to exit on the same profit levels. So that way I will have a better chance of exiting. This one, 80. Right, should get filled. Yeah, it got filled. Yeah, I did. And then I'm modifying to this table. Since my average is 320, I will be happy to go to 380. And that is 20. Alright. So I'll do only average when the chart is actually in my favor. Alright, so we just alright. Okay, that's 1 minute. So it already finished 20 minutes of so 1 hour. So most likely this one has to come back here into this area, which is 700. Okay, let's wait and see. This is a strong upward, actually. Yeah, this is where I actually got wrong. I should not be taken a trade when I see the small red here in between. This is an anticipated one when you see the red, this red. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to get panicked, just wait. Which platform you're using, Rakesh, by the way? Yeah, this one is so far so good. And 5 minutes, 2 minutes, this are looking great. Whereas 1 hour also looking good because normally whenever you have a retracement like this small candle and then the next open, particularly if it opens on the higher other side of this green, uh, then it actually trying to move the make move, and then it will come back to this direction, this red arrow direction. So that's how the higher time frames really work because at the end of the day, big players don't want to give their money to you. So that's what they will do. They basically take your money, wait for a few minutes, and then dump everything back so that they can buy back very low. So that's the action will happen. All right, we are looking good so far. That's our time. And the smaller time frames. So already NQ already recovered about 100 points. Is it 100? Or it was only 260 invest. Oh yeah, almost 90 points. Okay. There, now it's giving strength to the bear side. Okay. Once you reach 320, because average 320, past 320 points, it should supposed to show positive. I don't know what is this reading. Just looking at the wrong reading. The chart looks good so far on the minute. Let's look at a couple of other tickers, how they are doing. So let's look at the negative ones. That's SPX. Sorry, the AMD. It was 28 before, now it's 26. Meta is good. So we have a lot of stickers in our favor. With Apple. Just like a little bit of the Google, yeah. So let's see what's in positive side. Costco. Oh, looks like retailers are in the positive side. Okay. Okay, I think we're still in good place to go down further. Right. That's my watch list, by the way. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the fifth one. And look at this one. What I was telling. 1 hour goes first up and then comes down back. So at the end of the time, it should at least show this one as a red candle. That's accordingly still have 27 minutes in that one. And then 5 minutes looking good. And if I go to 10 minutes, a little bit not favorable. 2 minutes. That's a strong push. 10 more minutes on 15 minutes. Just not a good sign. This is a good sign. Yeah, it looks like it just want to go sideways. Okay, let me see. So maybe I should exit a little early on this one. Instead of 380, let's put it 80. Let's skip 60 maybe. Yeah, most of the time they don't want to climb the prior highs, prior swing highs. Um, so if you're looking at here, I mean, the easiest way that I actually look for the prices is here on the SPX on the trade. So yeah, on these two, I believe. So that's the lowest target. 460. And then 90. Over 64 Yeah, they always tend to go down rather than going upwards. Even the price is in your favor. Right, this is looking good. Once it crosses this number, then we should be good. Okay, 7700, but that's always a strong support. See, they go quickly backwards. Slower up move, but faster down move. I think I should give up on this one, but I will give up a little bit later. I should have given up when it was minus 200. But we'll get back here, so most likely we'll get back here. Or even here. And we can exit. Okay, the top is promising. Okay, I think we are getting to this area, 7700 area. Okay, we should actually approach our sell point. Not yet. 15. Let's see where we are. I think one more top on NQ will give a good push for SPX as well. They both are in the same time frame, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and clicks in 2 minutes, this one 2 minutes, just to make sure. See, mostly sideways this around this time. They don't want anybody to win. I think they're trying to shake it off. Okay. NQ looks good, but SPX doesn't look good. It recovered too much too fast. See how strong the move is on the SPX. That even give us scarcity on with a gap up. This one. Are we done with the retracement in the triangle formation? Looks like we are. This is going very dark blue. There's so much choppy. Small time frame. 15 more minutes left. Right. Just decaying the premium. Simply decay action. See, if you look at the chart here, um, see they always go and stand in the middle and then just keep decaying up and down. So they don't give you, but they full upside as well as downside, not just one side. And when it moves super quick after taking the stops, any stop orders. Yeah, so far looks good. Fair side. There comes the next one. See, that's what I'm talking about. It takes a long time. It took three pushes for coming down. Let's see how are we doing on this one. Oh wait a minute, did I by mistake fill the wrong price? Oh damn it, I filled the wrong price. In I, I'm not supposed to get that 380. I think I took a loss. Well, that might happen for a good reason. Let's go back and enter those. Okay, since we're going to enter the same price, let's enter 100 better. Okay. Now we are not even getting filled. Now it's climbing. I lost the opportunity by clicking the wrong button. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I think I still can take this one if this one actually green. Okay, I think I can put it up. Oh, that's too much. Twenty, 30, not 30. I put it down in the floor. I think I don't want to change after this. Okay, I'm canceling. I don't want to change this one. It's too far already. So that's the base I want to exit originally, which would be 360 anyway. So I don't want to enter at 350 and then look for another 30, which is wrong thing to do. So I will look for next entry somewhere. Somewhere here, and it's actually going upwards. Maybe this one. They don't go continuously, so they will go back to this line at least. That's when I will take it. It's this line. So let them reject, come back, and I don't want to stay on the call side. I want to stay on the put side for now because of the higher time frames. Visibility. This is what I was talking about. So this always goes to the long wick side, or at least to the pulling side, and then makes red here again, or at least a small tiny hammer. Okay. And to stay put side, I want this one to close as a green candle in the next 9 minutes. That will have a higher chance of going down. But if it turns as a red, small red, then there's a higher chance of going upwards. So I will look for the small tiny details also. Okay, I'm taking now one more trade this time to the downside. Let's see. This would be a good one. So I'll take this one again. 25 contracts. I'm feeling good on this one. So, let's see on this. Right. Let's see. It's already started dropping. That's why it's not fully. Yeah, the speed is very important. The prep time also takes into account. When we could not able to execute the orders fast enough, it's our drawback. That's why I always build the trades a little bit earlier when the move is appearing, even with some extra giving up. See, now I would have received 20 cents if I filled quickly. Now we need at least one green to get that fill, and so forth. Yeah, this moves happen super quick. Alright. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Okay, let's do one thing. Cancel this one. Go back. Cancel the one. I don't want to enter two. So I'll take this one. Since we are further away, I need to be careful. Okay. Hope this one get filled. No, I'm getting filled. Even this one. Okay, now, now it becomes FOMO. Okay, got filled. Oh, I still did not get filled. Oh, okay, got filled. Now it's very hard to exit. Okay, I'll look for 50 cents. Uh, the only advantage is these candles. That's the base. So if you look at the chart here, yeah, there. So that's one, and there's another advantage up to this red line. So let's see if we can fill 78. Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. I think I need to adjust because there will be always somebody else is in front of me. So what I will do, I'll push this one to through 20 and then come back and fill real quick for 280. This will give me a better. I'll wait until the comes. When the ask is $3, I will push this one out. Okay, I think it's struggling, so I'll take 75. Need one more red. This always happens after the big red. Always there's a green, which actually decay the premium real quick. Yeah, I'll put the one there. Okay, we are going to get in 2 minutes. Exit. See, that one will show you another red, at least in the beginning. That should get us out. $73, $75. Average doesn't help. Okay, failed. Finally. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to take the risk of this particular one also because we're almost reaching to the red line. Let me see where that one is. Oh yeah, this is good. This is our 1 hour. Only 1 minute, 22 seconds. Oh damn, that's not a good one. I thought it just started the candle. Okay, let me go back and exit. But I'm already getting $100 more. Ooh. Yeah, let's see. 14. Take that one there for a loss of $300. That's the wrong one. Wrong buttons. Okay, so far so good. We have 30 minutes, 30 seconds, I mean, on this candle to make this one another red, big one, not small one. Go like this. Okay, waiting. See, this one already took the stops. That's why it's going upwards. The prior swing low is already took over, so that's why it's moving upwards real strong. Okay, that's 5 minutes looking promising. And our new candle on the one. Okay, this is where I'm doubting on this one. Going on the green side first. Okay. Let's see. I think I'll just close it. Oh, okay. It's really coming faster. There we go. This is going on the higher time frame, which is 1 minute chart. Oh, I mean, I should have pushed my button there. All right. Okay, I mean, since it's the spread, I don't worry too much on that one, at least for now. Let's look and see if I have any trade. One more entry. Oh yeah, we have one more entry to the downside, which is right here. But 5 minutes still showing up. So let's wait until maybe up to here, which is at least up to here. So we will have enough room. What is the previous level? Oh, I did not see this one. Oh, this is favorable. One is not so favorable, but two is favorable. Okay, I can go ahead and take trade here. 22. Okay, let's wait for the one to print. Oh, the previous one got closed. Okay, we're waiting on this one to get filled. 230, 238, 45. I always try to get the lowest price first. Of course, the FOMO hits peak when the price going upwards. That's the problem of looking at the screen all the time. As soon as I see the red here, the former gets in. Yeah. So if you are doing this one, I think you will be better off taking just two or maybe one. I always take five and above because the exit actually gives me the feel of exiting faster. Even with the 20 cents on five, you are basically making 100 bucks. If it is 20, you're making 400 bucks. Right? So that's how I look at it. Okay, let me look at the chart. This is, yeah, it's moving down stronger. Alright, it is going down one more step to the next red candle, next red line, which is this one. Okay, let me cancel this one. I don't want chase with a bigger price. I'll chase with a smaller price instead. So 50. Alright, that's the field. Now, since the red is about to come, I'm going to exit this one for 25 cents or something, right? So let's put it at 80. Correct, sitting at 80. Okay, so yeah, we're almost there. One more drop. Okay, I think I need to adjust this one manually. Now again, two, and then do it again. Come back and then do it for 180. 175 even better. 180 is fine. Okay, let's go. There we go. So much drop there, and still continuing. What the hell? How come not fitting? Oh man. I think I stepped on myself. Okay, got it filled. There you go. So yeah, basically when we are in alignment with the like same direction, it's easier to enter and exit faster. And again, you should not be looking for $1. You just be looking for 20 cents, 30 cents to exit for the faster execution. Because this could reverse very quickly on us, particularly on the straight calls, puts, or straight debit. So with those two trades, I might ended up 2400 profit. See, that's what I'm talking about. They was very quickly on this. You need to be very fast. See how fast they reverse. Okay, now it's going other direction. So this time it is actually went to the body first, and then now it's moving upwards to the weak side. Right, so this might actually this time can cross or touch this red line. I might even go to this red on the top. Let me make it red. So that's another support. And then if it breaks through that, then it could go all the way up to this one, which is a gap. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to stay another 20 minutes and then log off from the live. Let's see how this one shows up 1 minute. Come in on over. This is a downward. This downward as well. Oh, this is a strong downward. Okay, I think we can actually take a new trade if it is actually reaches to this area. At least up to this area. I mean, it's already reached in fact. Because if I consider this one as a total, one big red and one big green, that's always becomes a box. So you see that's actually the entry point there. Whenever we see the green closed inside, and then the second candle should be our entry point. Okay, I'm going to take trade if this one moves into green side. Let's see. So again, I mean, we are playing with very far strikes, which is not a good idea if you're not executing faster. So try to enter this one for a better price. Okay, let's see. Let's put at 20 and then wait. It's already moved away from us, so that's another problem. Let's see. Okay, well, okay, yeah, I think I can make it to 50 or 45 even better. Okay, let's take one. Get it. Oh, I didn't get filled. The only worry is this one. Okay, that one will get filled. So let me look at the chart. Okay, let's this one so I can see the candle. There, it's supposed to give me the fill. Okay, got the fill. Let's exit this one. 18. But I might actually adjust that one later for smaller number. Okay, 90. I will be looking for somewhere at 75 or 80. Let's look at 80. There, that's a good one. So a good move. This is good indication, and this is a good indication, and this is a really good indication on the higher time frame 2 minutes. So normally, what they do on the higher time frames, they always go and fill up that body before, or at least close to the body before they reverse it. Which is, I mean, this is very small body, but if these are bigger bodies, actually works even better. So which is 7700. So that means we have another $1.25 more at the least. Let's see how we are doing. Alright, it is actually moving in our favor. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes turn opposite now. Alright, I'm going to get ready. Oh man, this is not good anymore. Okay. As long as this green closes within that red body, then we still should be good. There comes the drop. There we go. Where are we? No, the price is not appreciating. That's the problem with that directional. Okay, one. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, normally I will look for this line like this. I know that's one. So basically, take the previous last two lows, take the one, and then you try to hit that line, and then you can just. But the price is not. Let's put it there. See if it is. Well, yeah, it is kind of coming up. Coming up, coming up. There, that's the one. Move to the next. Okay, one more candle. 32 seconds left. And then we have left 2 minutes, which is good enough for this one to move. Another 2 more minutes, so that might hit red most likely. Did I get it? Still there. Okay, I think I don't want to wait too long. 75. That's about 30 cents. There we go. Touching the red. Okay. We got the exit. Yeah, we did. Alright, I think I will stop here. How many is for the trades wise? I had a good trades today. So I'm looking at all this one. Oh, yes, I cannot even hold cursor properly. I'm hoping they have a timestamp here so I can sort it out to see the price entry and exits. I cannot see the timestamp. Mm, no, it's very hard to read this one. Let me average the price, the symbol on the price. Okay. Yeah, so 150, that's 30 cents, 125. So that's how much? 3 times 30 times 27. That's, I'm poor at the math sometimes. 750. And this one is also 30, but the 600. The 600 is 750, and this is 25. So that's 25 times 20 only. That's 500. That's sorry, 25. That's 625. And then this the one we got lost. This both become average, and then I entered the 80. That's 320 minus 308 times 20. That's 240 minus. And then 410 entry and 510 entry and 430 entry, and then 530 exit. All of them. And then the other one is 530, 550 entry, 350 entry and 370 exit. And this one is the bad one. Credit actually same day credit liquidity supposed to work better, but because it's keep going up and down, so I don't want to hold too long. It might have worked, but I don't want to give up. I'm just looking for $100. So I gave up almost 2 times, right? So basically around 300 plus, 400 plus. All right. So 2 negative, which is 240 plus 400 plus 600, and everything is actually positive trades. I started really small to get the feel, and then I went for the bigger numbers once I get the better feel. But I always start low so that I can actually read the charts, because your emotions actually helps you read the charts better when you're in the trade. All right, I think that's all. I will be holding off. Do you want to say anything? Now, I mean, it's just risky now, going downward at least for a while, because this one is already past midpoint. Even though I anticipate this one to come down all the way here, but because it's a super small body on the hourly chart, I don't want to. And you have 1 hour 32 minutes, so I mean, there's a lot of time you have to wait for, even if it goes up to this level. And your 7700 is becomes very strong support. So if the 770 is far away, further down, and the newer price is here, then I don't have a problem entering put side. Unless this one appreciates all the way to 770 or even 715, 7715, then there will be a better chance. But this one is actually looking for a small tiny bit, which is very difficult. So yeah, I think I'm in a better position actually to exit. I might actually have anywhere from okay to 5K, let's see, unless people gives wrong information on my. Let me see how. Oh, did I close it? It looks like I closed it already. Okay, let's see. Okay, there you go. Where's the- Oh, I closed the thing by clicking this one. I thought I'm closing this one. That's the reason. Okay. Wow, that's very good. I probably did went into the place. Oh, look at the drop. But these are 1 minutes. Now let's take one trade. I don't know. Feeling FOMO here. And 160. Oh, is this a price I have actually entered before? I think it's a price I did there before. Oh, cancel. What I am doing stupidity. Oh, did I get the fill? Oh, damn it. I got the fill even before I can cancel. Damn it. 1.90. Let's see since I'm on the right. I hope this. Oh, let's look at this chart on the long-term chart if it is favorable or not. Oh yeah, it is favorable. 2 minutes favorable, 5 minutes favorable, and even the longer time frame is favorable, and the NQ is favorable as well. So I think you can stay. Oh, is it filled? Where is the order? Oh yeah, I got filled. There we go. That's $500, I think. Right. Now I am done. Oh, why I come to the thing I forgot to run. Oh yeah, account. Looking at the account, where is that one? Codes. 17th one? That's not right. It's supposed to be million and over. I think something maybe that loss actually ate up the profits. Even the account size is too large here. My trade capital I used only maximum 25 times how much? $4 max. 10 times 4. So yeah, about 5,000 max. The capital I used. So don't be fooled by the number. So I only use less than 5,000 to get this number. Oh, look at that drop. Oh, it's going back to the lows, which is the next low is 76.95. If it shows green, okay, let's take one more trade if it comes here. Let's see. Let's bet on this. 10. Oh, maybe too early. Let's see. Yeah, it is too early. Oh, continuation there, but there is a stop there. There's only just one. And back to the body, which is 96. Yeah, we don't have much room. If I see a green here, like this one, if there's some green pull back up to here, or at least up to this channel, like this one, then I will be happy to take one more. But it's moving very, very quick. It's going back to this area. So once it crosses the body, then it will go for the wick. I mean, wick is nothing but another candle in a smaller time frames. So don't fool by the wicks. So it could go all the way here and then another way. So if it is really going for lows, it's here. But when it goes to the lows, it could actually fool us. That's where they act move real quick, real fast. Okay, there is a strength. See here, this is what I'm talking about. If there is a move, there is a move all the way up to the bullion band, which is actually low here. They're just BB is just for the reading purpose. I don't really follow those from the trades. There, I'm looking for another green spin up. Okay, there's another variety I will tell you. Uh, Whenever we are reaching to the all, I mean low, but coming for a long time after a long time, this is very long time, right? Basically, so when it is coming to the low of the day after a long time, then there's a possibility this one actually reverse real quick, real fast. So let's take one trade the opposite direction. So let's look at call side. I mean, this is like putting a knife. Let's go small. Just five contracts, and then pick, I mean, just for the test purpose. So let's go for 65, and then wait. And that's the chart. That's the chart. So we might actually get it real quick. Okay, still waiting. When I'm taking reverse trades, I don't want to push the trades. And what? I will move this one a little bit down. There looks like there's still some more left to the downside. There, that's what I'm talking about. It's supposed to be red. It will be red. Just wait. It will be a red. Candle turns to be the best entry would be here. Most of the time, what happens is like if there's a continuity in the top, if I go and then draw a line on the prior charts, which is this one. Oh yeah, that's the one that is already reached. This and then maybe this endpoints. So it looks like it's already reached, but that might be a fooling one. But yeah, the best entry to the call side would be once it reaches to this level somewhere, like taking the stops. Okay, so we have a doji, which means there's a short red candle. This one, at least one. Okay, that's a big red on 5 minutes. So we should not be. We might be looking at a red candle on the 5 minutes. If this one is actually micro pullback like this one, as it is appearing right now, then there will be another red big candle later. So, but if it is a hairline doji, then there's a possibility that there will be a green candle. Alright, on the 2 minutes. I think it's looking for going upwards, but I want to wait for the 5 minutes to finish, which is a doji. I want to see headline doji. Where is my order? Staying 14. Let's see. It's not yet. There's no price down. I think they are already anticipating upward move. There's a sideways action. Last 3 minutes. If I go in the former and then hit order fill, then oh yeah, there it is. Then I might be late on the exits. So that's why I'm looking for the cheaper price to entry. So let's look at 75 at least. You can get. If I go to 60, 160. Okay, that one. I should receive. Okay, I should have. What? I did not receive it. That's not. Oh, I forgot to press the hand. Damn it. Okay, let's see how much I got feel for. Uh, what is the fill price? 170. What? Oh yeah, I think so. That was the right one. Now I'm looking for the upward. And it is looking upwards. This is looking upwards. And this is only for because LOD. And if you look at that, this side, so I'm trying to cash 10 cents, 20 cents on that one. Not much because it's other side of the trend. But in case of reversing. Okay, that's a 70 I entered. So let's get 20 cents just to get the feel. Alright, I think I entered too early. This is when what happens, like since I'm losing on the trade, then I end up averaging it, and then this drops further, and then I lose more, which I don't want to do. Okay, let's stick with the bigger time frames. So let's see how the 1 hour looking. Oh yeah, I want to specify one more. Whenever I see a long wick dojis like this or hammers like this, the next candle most likely become hammer as well upside. So since it dropped all the way here, then it will go back and then either stay close to that one, making these two combine as a doji indecision candles. That happens when there's no strong trend. Sideways movements happens mostly like that. So I mean, so far we are in the sideways only. If you look at the entire time frame, so if I remove all of this and then draw one big channel from here to here, we're basically trending in a channel. That's a sideways move basically. Even though we have enough move within that particular channel, taking trades. Oh yeah, so this is going down. Where I am, I think I want to exit and call it a day. Almost 110. Okay. I think we are going to use more and more on this one. Oh, we are reaching the low. That's the low point. Okay, I will let that one work for maybe 5 plus 5 10 minutes. Okay, the first 5 minutes for the candle. That's a downward move actually on this one. Whenever they actually open up a little bit higher, that is fooling the wrong side. This is what I see. Okay, going down again on both 5 and 2. Hesitating. It was in the order for the quick push, but looks like there's no quick push upwards. Two minutes. Let's see how was the spread is. I think it has a move. Yeah, it did its move on the dollar. I mean on the 1 hour chart. Let's see. So let's go back to this line, which is 700. Oh, what I was missing. There's a move came and left. Okay, it's building up a little bit. Okay, whenever the drops start like this after the channel formed, so there's a channel it actually formed. So when that happens, you will find a gap, which is this one. So normally they will retrace back to that gap. If they do, and then reverse again. And so there's a chance this screen can go back and touch that one. And sometimes they even go all the way to the other side of the channel, which is this one. Yeah, reverse directions are always a very long wait, and they may not even profitable. So we go only reverse once the trend is formed. Okay, let's exit this one. Here we are, 68. Okay, let's put this one into modification. And let's look at 220. And then once it gives you exit at 195. Wow, we even get $2. Oh, I think we get it. Let's exit. Oh, it's already. Oh, what I'm doing. It's already filled for 220. This is what I'm talking about. Moving super quick, opposite direction once you get to the LOD, particularly after a long time, which is very long time from 11:20 all the way to 4:10. So that's 3 hours time. So that's why there's a strong upward. Okay, now we have a trade. Right. Yeah, this now it will become very tricky if we end up taking puts. This might actually go further up and killing our trade. So be careful. So the better entry would be at least until you see the trend lines that formed on this. Yeah. Yeah. So I mean you're already almost close to 2 hours left. 2 hours, yeah, so 2 hours left. So there's a higher chance this would actually go towards the gap area. But I don't want to take the trade just because it's up on the channel. See how strong it is. This is where the big guys make a lot of money. So because after seeing this channel drop so far, we think it's going to go down again. So we will buy puts here, and then it will go against us, going upwards, or sideways, going upwards or sideways, fooling us, right? And don't be fooled by these indicators. These are just lagging indicators. Okay, so 1 hour, but we are approaching the 1 hour close, which is 30 minutes left. Let's see how the 1 hour charts. See, this is what I'm talking about. One hammer like a doji, and the next candle most likely be a hammer with a doji, particularly when it is consolidating, when it is in consolidation. Sorry, not consolidation, tight range. That's what happened. So this might even actually close somewhere here. If this one closes as a red with a red body, then there is higher chance this one will go down as a green upwards all the way up to here, 25 at least. 25 is first round number, and the next is gap fill. If not, it will continue back this way. But it has to be very tiny body hammer with the green. Sorry, with the red, not green. Green, red. Okay. Because green and red creates a red body candle, then you will have a green body candle afterwards. The higher time frames. So LOD play was a nice entry, but they only works very few times. This is on the there you go. This it is trying to go sideways. Oh wait, I'm not taking anything. Okay, this might be a red. Oh wait, let's see how is 5 minutes. Yeah, we need to see how the 5 minutes closes. If the 5 minutes close as a doji or with a little wick on the top, then we will see a red on the 5 minutes. Otherwise, like this. Because every time they go to LOD, people keep adding, particularly navies, they keep adding the orders to the put side. That's where the market was, not market, but the cash takes a lot of money on premium. So with this move, they might actually exit a lot of those orders with high premium entries and then low premium exits. Okay, I'm still waiting for the trend to be good. Okay, so yeah, fine. Okay, we still can wait. I think I end up staying for another 20 minutes, looks like, where the action happened here. That's a good move. That's the moves that actually makes a lot of money, and we don't have to wait too long. Okay, don't be fooled by the red. Take the puts. Wait for the one to finish, and the next candle also finish. Then the trade. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about on 5 minutes. So if there's a drop, the drop will actually go below this body of the candle, the previous body, green body of the candle. But wait for this one to confirm. Since there's no wick, I will still be doubtful on that one. I need to see a wick on the top. Not always, but most of the time works better. A lot of people read this one in 1 minute charts, and then they'll see this one green candle, then they enter the puts, and then the next one puts us. That's why I always look for higher time frame, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, for a better entry exits. Okay, 5 minutes looking upward as well. Let's draw the line here and see. Yeah, there it is. There with the 50. I think this is 50. Yeah. Where's the thing? Not that one. What is this? Yeah, it is 50 EMA. Okay, I think we are getting. Okay, I want this one to close like that, or similar pattern without red. Then we have a high chance of red candle. So while we wait, let me place an order or prepare an order. I'll take spy. Oh, wait, this is single. I don't want to go single. I don't want to risk too much. Is that what I was doing last time? Looks like I did that way on. What the hell? Okay. Let's go with a smaller risk, which is this one. And then. Okay, let's go with 90. Since we are already past so much time. Let's make this one 20 contracts so we can exit faster. Okay. Okay, let's look at the chart. Yeah, this one going to close. Oh, this I don't want to see this one as a red. 1 minute left. I want to see green from better execution. This may end up going upwards. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. This is that. This does not look good. It's still left with 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I think it might be a FOMO. Let's see. How much is that one? 110. Okay, 10. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's. Did we get it? 15 maybe the fuel. 10 is marketing. Okay. still not getting. Damn it, it's moving faster. Okay, just wait. 115 should be good enough. Oh yeah, this is not good. I'm wrong. Let's cancel. Cancel. Yeah, because these 5 minutes might actually turn as green. Okay, that is turning green. There you go. Look at that 2 minutes. They're going to turn green. Yeah. We have 3 minutes to complete 1 hour. So maybe it's better we wait to complete the one. This is basically a channel, but longer channel. And this is so strong upward. Okay, if this 5 minutes closes as a green here, then we have a chance of puts. Okay, I think this is confirming downward. But we still have 30 seconds. How about I'll look at this one and then take the trade. So 220. Oh yeah, this was not the buy. Okay. Oh yeah, it's moving upwards. No, that's not what I want. I want this one to close below here. Okay. All right. Let's see how that 5 minutes working. Oh no, yeah, it's no longer good. 5 minutes actually doing a different action. Yeah. Let's wait. So there's an up move still left. 1 minute left. Okay, so that's a doggy. So there's a chance of getting in, but our entry might be already backed. Okay, let's take it anyway. Okay. Close with 120. Let's put it 30 and then modify afterwards. Okay, smaller time frames is our now favor. Bigger time frames is not yet, but it's happening. It's going to be in our favor as well if it closes within the red body, which is what's happening right now. That means this might actually go quickly down this direction. Maybe the smaller time frames are not good. Okay, even okay. This is okay. There's a red candle. There is a red candle possibility here. 45 minutes because it is closed within the body. Let's see if we can exit the profit. What? How come I lost? Oh, because I'm too far. Damn it, too far. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks away. That's the problem. Even though there is a move, there is no enough distance. 98, 100. Come on. Come on. Okay, I think I'm wrong on this one, particularly with the wrong strike. Okay, this is still looking favorable. Looks like a more sideways action than drop. Okay. Here comes the drop. There we go. That's the read I got on 5 minutes. Okay, let's get it. Yeah, we are already 1.5 hours left, so it's very difficult to get the premium appreciated, particularly these far strikes. Okay, maybe one more drop. Maybe one more. Not good. Okay. It has to break this line to get in bottom, maybe to go down further. 7,000, which is actually strong support as well. So yeah, so maybe up to that line. There the drop comes. Okay. Okay, the drum roll coming. Oh. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this is still favorable because of the doji and the smaller body. It's a micro pullback. No longer micro pullback. What the hell? We just gave up this much. Okay, I think that's violated. See, one body, another body. So which is actually becoming this one. Sideways, more sideways than anything else. In fact, it's a triangle shape. Triangular shape sideway. If I look at this one, okay, I think we are going against our will. Okay, I think I just need to exit this one. Where's that one? There it is. It's moving out of the channel. This one. Wow, that's a green channel. What the hell I just did? 6. See, you just keep fooling around as if it is want to go down, but it's simply going upwards quietly. It's still fooling around. See, this candle, previous one is a hammer, next one will be hammer, most likely, which is what happening. But if it is strong red, then we have higher chance of going down. 5 minutes looking good so far. Particularly after the previous red, and if this one also turns red a little bit all the way to the wick, then it's better chance of going down. But looks like it's mostly sideways for killing the premiums. Okay, this might be a red candle. just because I want to trade. This is what happens later about trades. Okay, I want to exit for less profit, transfer less loss. Oh, no, wait. Come on, come on, come on. Still not dropping. This drop is promising. Yeah, it is. Okay, looks like I'm still good with my previous anticipation for the exit. 115, but it needs a strong drop. We need another big red candle like that. Let's see how many more seconds left. 5 seconds. 3 minutes, so which is good. Ah, damn it. Where is the doji? What is that? Okay, I think you're out of the channel, which is a good thing. But it's just mainly for reading only. So, next level. The price is not really coming much. Yeah, I think I will let this remove the exposure. Let's see how many trades. What I mean, divide. Two seconds more. So far looking good, but the exit is not appearing anywhere near. Now we got it. Let's see, should feel now. See, it doesn't feel. We have to change it. Okay, one more point. Okay, the next 5 minutes actually could help us. Okay, that would be red, at least for a while. Okay, so order got failed. What the hell? It took so long. Hmm. Yeah, 15 times 25 plus only 300. Was a lot of headache there. Yeah, taking directional trades last hours is not good. They don't appreciate the price. And they keep elevating the prices close to the, let's look at the signals. See, they keep elevating the prices close. Wait a minute, what is wrong here? Put side super expensive. Call side not. Wait, so I think we are at wrong. Okay. Okay. Actual price is 701. Which is this one. Okay. 701. Look at this call side prices are very cheap, whereas the put side prices are very expensive because they're not anticipating to go upwards. Looks like so they only want to go downward. That's why they're actually elevating the prices, basically making a lot of premiums. That's why I took single. Nice. There's a lot of drop available here if there is any. If you just keep doing that, and then suddenly drops. You know everything and look at in the fresh accident. How is the daily looking? Looks great. Yeah, that's how it might be closing. Mm, Now it's moving upwards. Where is my other window? Should have kept this one. Almost 60 points up. And this is where last swing. And then next swing upwards might be here. Let's go back to private. Let's put this one into SPX. That's a nice one. And let's look at the one. Oh, this is a new 1 hour. Just, yeah, you see, if this one actually closed on the red side, like this particular hourly, if it is a red, that means it's closed below this one, right? Or at least close to that one. Then this would have been actually green to start with. But this one is actually red because that one is actually closed. Basically, these two combined as actually a set OG. So it is going on to the longer wick side, which is this one. We still have some more space. They might actually have a space all the way here, but not guaranteed. It is. So the lowest they can go at the moment is 5 more points. there will be a good chances of lottos here if the move is actually stays above 7700 or below 7700 to attract with 7700. Maybe I'll log back later at 2:45. Then maybe we can look at those trades just for educational purpose. Okay, I think I'll log off for now. It's been almost 3 hours, I believe. I came around 11:30. Yeah, there's a good move there. Yeah, it's going further down. Yeah, actually we can take one trade here. It's confirmed trade. It's, um, let's try to get the lowest price because these are single. So put it only 15. Okay. Oh, damn it. We are at the body. Exactly. Modify. What is it? Let's read something else first. Let's upward candle. Let's 5 minutes. 5 minutes, which is looking good. How is the 15 minutes looking? Oh yeah, this is downward. Okay. We can take trade. Let's see. Now let's go back to modify. Point 7, sorry, 80. Put it up. And then close this one real quick. Something is not right here. Oh yeah, it is correct. Oh, so it moves so quickly. Should exit. Oh damn it. That's a good one. Look at that. The drop is super quick into the body. I thought the system is actually wrong when give me the double. How much I entered? 180, I believe. 120, that's 20 cents. Not bad. Okay, there's one more drop coming. Yeah, there is one more drop coming. Let's add this one quickly. Let's try to get it at 190. Maybe not. Let's see. There's the middle of the gap. Okay. Okay. Oh, damn it. I don't like the software. They just keep going up. Why do you want to take a trade? Okay, let's this one. I am at 85 and it is at 2. I don't know if I can get a feel. We are already too close to one more push upwards. Not kidding. Okay, let's get how this one is looking. Oh yeah, it is down. It is downwards, it is downwards, it downwards, everything is downwards. Let's simplify this one. Oh, that is wrong one. Wrong button. It's already went down, so it's not good. I don't want to take any more so it's went too far. let's try the next one. This is like 4 more run now. Okay, got a few. Let's see. That's too far away. Okay, should get real quick. 16. Oh wait, what did I do? Why it's going negative? Okay. That would be the red as well. Oh, did not notice this one. Damn it. Okay, that should be it. I entered the wrong time. It already filled its body. It will have, but the problem is very difficult to exit. That's not true. 22, 20, 60. Okay, yeah, it's still getting 35, 45. Okay, we are in direction so far, but this is not looking good. And this is also not looking good. That's 5 points away, and then we have 1 hour. So I think we have good time. If I just push up a little bit and then we come back, get out for 35 or 60. Okay, so okay. Oh, looks like it's a side reaction. This long wick long wick candle is actually an indication that it will take time to drop below that wick. It should not be even taking trade right here, which is at exactly the wrong time. Okay, this red should give me some hope. There it is. Yeah, it's coming up. 33. Okay, let's go to this. Go to this one. Oh, this is. Let's look at. Oh yeah, this just finished 15 minutes. That's not a good sign. Oh yeah, we still have some space on 30 minutes. But that is a green and red, and it could be green. Oh, damn it. Okay, then there's no space here for the drop. There's very little drop space. I'm basically looking for the last swing red canvas to draw the base. It's actually already reached. Okay, one more 5 minutes. Okay, that's a good sign for the red. Uh, yeah, because we are at the resistance level 7700, so that's the problem. It doesn't want to move from that number. Just keep going up and down. But our low of the day is still here, so at least we have some hope there. No longer is a trade, but it's a hope. Okay, 5 minutes not looking good. 15 minutes looking good. And then Q. Looks like I carried away with the trades without looking at the chart properly. No, it is true. Reversal maybe. Okay, we are in the chart now. Let's see if this breaks the chart. That's a good sign. But I need to see the next 5 as a red. That should push to the LOD and the below. If that is the case, that might give us real quick. This number's not good. Oh, what is our last price this much? Okay, here comes the red. Oops. Red and then red and red. Oh, looks like a sideway action. Okay. Let's see. So, oh, it's already filled. It's weak. Okay. This 5 minutes looks good. There might be LOD in play. Okay, I'm still doubting on this doji, like a spinning. Oh, that's not the one. Yeah, we will have hard time breaking that one. Four minutes. NQ looks good. What is the time frame? 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I think I need to take a loss here and then move on. Let's see where it goes. 5 minutes not giving any indication. Uh, this is trouble. See how they feed the people at the LOD. Okay, we are at 7. But what is the price per 7 hours? Okay, this one. Yeah, if we basically doing continuously, we only end up losing at the end. So we have to have a defined range of profit to take and then move on. So I was 3k plus. I'm not sure why this one is showing 22, but it should be 3k plus. And with this loss, whatever that one, 35 times 15, that should be only 300. Number 450. Okay, it is defining so long. That's 1 minute, so I'm not worried too much on that one. Oh yeah, it is looking downwards. I think it's going upwards now. Oh, it's going to take a while. 5 minutes left on this one. And then 5 minutes left on that one. This is 90. Now we are at 18, 98. That's too far. Okay, 3.5 minutes to go for 15 minutes candles to finish. There is a high chance that will turn to red on the 15 minutes. The next 15 minutes. So I'm looking at this one. It's turning red. That's high chance. Not this one, but the next candle. Based on this closing. And then we need the premier band. We don't need the premier band. So this is basically still in the same trend line, if you notice. Here it comes. Finally, it want to break the floor here. Okay. Yeah, it's breaking. Let's break. Let's break. That's actually closing of 15 minutes, which is actually not a good sign. Yeah, I think I'll exit. Okay, looking for the next trade candle. $45. 1 minute 44 seconds for 15 minutes candle to finish. Okay, the next would be red as well, based on this 5 minutes. So let's wait for the next 5 minutes. Just took it floor. Now for a better execution, this has to come all the way to here. What is the next best one? That's not like good. Okay, so still the same line. Is a line that is going to touch, most likely. See, price is not appreciating anymore. It's only depreciating. Even though we are only 4 points away. There's a struggle last minute trades. Okay, this 5 minutes should be green, sorry, red. At least for a while until it reaches a body. Oh, why am I on bottom? Yes. Okay, that's likely. And now it's turning to red. There it comes. It's a nail biting time. It's a long wait. This one looking good. This is 15 minutes. And if I put this on 15 minutes and clear everything, I should see that one. Oh, there's a green move actually. Yeah, that seems like green move. It has to get it. Okay, this is done. It's green. Now it's going to red. It's doubtful still. Okay, it's the high to the low. It's at high. Sorry, low to the low, high to the high are difficult. You just keep pressing. This might actually rock at any time. Just keep pressing for some reason. Still have another 32 minutes. Of course. What is the loss we're taking? Oh, that's a large. I think I have to give up on it. Otherwise, I cannot think and then play properly anymore. Okay, let's look for this one to finish. 5 minutes. And then go from here. 30 minutes looking good. Then why it's not working? Ten minutes. 10. Okay, we still at the last stopping point. This is when we're supposed to take it really, not before. When you see the rejection at that last rejections. What? Yeah, I think it's got an idea. Let's make this one. I don't know. That might work. Yes, let's give it a time. So let's put it back to okay, that's 20 cents. Rating 20 cents, giving up so much. Okay, that's a lot. There's a lot of pain. I waited too long. It's maybe too early, but let's see because it's just about the channel and 30 minutes to left, 5 minutes. I put the closing order on this one. Let's put it at 80 and then come back and fix it. And then that's all you're giving me. Okay, let's get it up this one. There we go. That's accurate. Okay, that's a better execution. Okay. What is this one? This is 5 minutes. Okay, we can take another trade, but let's take this one. Wait for the one to give some confirmation here. Looking at this is looking good. Yeah, that's what I want. Modify this one to get a little bit better. Ooh. again. Okay, got the phone. Fine. Let's get it out. Thank you. Make a change. 55. Let's wait another one. That's what we are looking for. And the next level is this one. Kind of this one. This is last minute actions. This is what I'm looking for. After we are close up the candle. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that doesn't look good. This combination normally leads a red candle. These two together, particularly if this closes as a cream with a visible body. And whereas this one should lead to green, this combination. But since we are at the channel, upper band, then we have to be careful. I think the last trend, previous entry was good, but this entry was actually FOMO. Missing out and then FOMO. Oh, damn it. It doesn't want to go away from 700. Even though that candle looks big, the move is only 1.2 pointers. It's trying to break, but it cannot break. Now 5 minutes ended up wrong side. Now 30 minutes taking over. It actually looks like a red. Whatever that we made in the last trade is giving up. I think I made 900 back and now it's 102 coming back. Everything. Right, this is going downwards. This is just sideways with a mixed signal. That's the downside. That is the downside as well. What I am looking for them. So is that. I'm going to leave this one here because 2 times 25 is 500. You know what? Let's take that one. Let's hold on. This is this one is wrong. That's wrong. Well, anyway. Yeah, mommy. Oh, what just happened? Where is this one? Sorry, I was eating. It's making Okay, we are to the last minute. So this, I mean, we are 10 minutes away. So the moves will be very extreme. So and also premiums will not move. So well, we can get and then exit out. See how fast they move. It was 120 before, even before I exit. It was breaking. We are at 95, so we still have 50 chances to go winning this one. There's a drop, a long drop here on NQ, so this might try to match that. SPX might try to match that number, so it may be around 55. So let's see. 55 to 60 points. At least I'm looking for the best drop would be here. If it works. More than I'm doubting still. This looks good. This looks good. Oh yeah, there's a drop coming there. That's 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's see. Already trying to control off. And there comes. Let's go. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's already filled. Never mind. Filled for 135, I believe. Yeah, filled for 135 from 90. That's a very big number. Yeah. Whatever lost is recovered. Okay, no more trades until 1 minute to the close. So we'll see where that 1 or 2 minutes to the close. So we are away from 700, and because we are all in negative, if there is a pickup on this one, then we might actually hit 7700. But we cannot trade 7700 because if it hits 7700, we are not going to make money. So what we're going to do is we look for this side. Let's put the order anyway. Let's put the order for just fine for 0.15 cents. I mean, it may not last minute, but let's see. So that's the order waiting. If the everything moves below 90, then we are expecting to come back to. Wow, look at that! How far it's moving. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we might actually get the fill. I don't know. Are we getting the fill? Where is it? 95. 90, that's a long way to go. Look at that. So it looks like this one to match this one. I mean, oh, it's already LOD, so it may not want to match anymore. Let's see where we are going. Yeah, this might actually move upwards rather than downwards, which may not give us the feel. I'm doubting. 4 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Still dropping, so we will get. I mean, we may get it, but let's see. 85 plus 10 points. Right? Let's take one of these. Just one. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, we got that feel. That's it. I don't know why it's negative. That's a bit. I have no idea why it says negative. I don't know when you open others. Something there. 95, 90, 75, 80. We have 3 minutes left. Okay. From this one. Okay, and it's going further down. Undoubtedly, if I even want to get this order. I think it's only going to go down. I don't want to get into any trade. There is high chance this one could have actually won than this one. Two minutes up there. Let's see if it gets fill. Oh, I did not know that will cancel the order. Damn it. Oh, it's okay. Just 1 minute left. I don't want to risk it. Okay, you see, that's how it gets it. If you get 60, then you get 120 or 2 hours. But it gotta be super quick. Entry and exit. And then it drops back. Look at that. See, this one has higher chance, 55 cents it was. Now it is $3.74. What the hell is happening? Well, that's how far we get there. Okay, my account, I'm not sure what's going on here. What it is. Supposed to. What? I thought I made so many good trades, but still I saw only 1,000 trades. Where did I go? Where's the rubber band? I have no idea. Yeah, mate.